Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahai from Allbot Technologies, and in this video let's take a look at 7 amazing tips and tricks for the Vivo X21. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin. First on the list is privacy and app encryption. This can be found in the fingerprint, face and password settings. It is basically app lock, so you can lock selected apps that you want to keep private. The lock could be anything: face, fingerprint or pin. Now since face unlock on this device is amazing, I'm using face unlock and it works in almost all the situations. Second is game mode. Now since everyone is playing PUBG these days, this feature can really come in handy. Go into game mode, enable it. Once enabled, add games of your choice and then tap on the name to tweak the settings as you want. So if you don't want any disturbance while you are playing game, you can auto reject all the calls. You can also block floating preview of notifications, which distracts a lot while you are playing a game. So these are few settings that you can enable to enjoy your game flawlessly without any disturbance. Third on the list is always on display, which can be found in lock screen and home screen settings, which allows you to have a glance at your notification and time without taking the phone or unlocking it. Yes, it will consume some battery. So if you want, you can set a start and end time to save some battery at night. Not just that, you can even customize clock type as per your wish, which is pretty cool. Fourth is navigation gestures. This allows you to have iPhone X-like gestures on your X21. So swipe up from the left will show you toggles, swipe up from the right will take you back, swipe up from the center will take you to the home screen, and swipe up from the center and hold will show you background applications which are run. Not just that, if you don't like these lines at the bottom, you can even remove them completely from the settings, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Fifth on the list is battery mode. We all run out of battery a lot of times, and keeping it in normal mode always drains the battery faster. So if you want to increase your usage time, just simply enable low power mode when battery drops below 20%. And if it further falls to 10%, I would suggest you to use super power saving mode, as that will cut off everything and allow you to just use phone, contacts and message application. So definitely use this tip when you are running out of battery. Sixth feature on the list is tilt to zoom. It can be found in smart motion. Once you enable this, you can zoom in picture by just pressing your thumb on the screen and tilting it up like this. So if you like this feature, then definitely enable it. Seventh and the last feature is manual screen split. Basically, it's a split screen feature wherein you can watch video and chat, or watch something and browse at the same time. It comes in really handy if you like to multitask. So you can enable it by just swiping 3 fingers down in applications which support split screen feature, and then you can use 2 applications at the same time. So definitely enable it. So guys, these were the top 7 amazing tips and tricks for the Vivo X21. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click that bell icon. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media networks. Links will be there in the description box, along with a link to buy this device. So if you're interested, do use my link. That's it guys. This is Saurabh Nahai. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.